In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Airtable to set up automations and streamline your workflow effectively. Whether you're new to Airtable or simply need a refresher, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Airtable's website, which provides intuitive interfaces for creating collaborative databases, commonly known as bases. Once there, you'll want to locate the Sign In button. It's generally situated at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this button will bring you to the login screen. Enter your credentials to access your Airtable account. Remember, if you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it, so nothing to worry about. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll need to click Continue to enter the main dashboard area of Airtable. This is where all the magic happens. From here, you'll see a list of your tables. Select the base that contains the table you want to work with. By clicking on it, you will access the table's content and layout. Next, we're going to focus on automations to help optimize our processes. In your table view, find and click on the Automations feature. This feature is a powerful tool that allows you to automate actions and responses based on specific triggers. For now, concentrate on the basics of setting your triggers and actions correctly. On the Automations tab, you'll see an option to select a table. Clicking this allows you to choose which table your automation will operate in. It's essential to select the correct table, as different tables might have different configurations and data types. Now we want to set a condition for when the automation should be triggered. Choose the option when a record matches conditions. This setup will let your automation run whenever a specific condition within your table is met. Select the table you'd like to configure and choose the particular conditions needed for your workflow. Click on the desired table to finalize your settings. After confirming your selections, proceed to add conditions by clicking Add Condition. This option enables you to define the specifics of when the automation should fire. Type in any particular data or parameters relevant to your task. You can set as many conditions as needed to fine-tune your automation. Once your conditions are in place, you'll need to establish what action follows the matched condition. For this initial setup, let's go with Create Record to see it in action. This is a common process for many users who want to ensure new data entries are automatically recorded. Lastly, head back to the main table view and select Primary Inventory. This helps you verify that everything is correctly linked and working as intended. Now you've not only set up an automation in Airtable, but also streamlined your process effectively, creating a more efficient workflow. Congratulations, you've made it through the setup of automations in Airtable. This function offers countless possibilities to enhance productivity and manage tasks effortlessly. Keep exploring to discover even more ways to utilize Airtable in your daily routines.